Professor Dr. Suxing Wan, currently working Southwest Petroleum University, in China. He won the Best Researcher Award in the event of International Soil Scientist Awards by Science Father. Professor Dr. Suxing Wan is a professor and assistant dean at the School of Civil Engineering and Surveying, Southwest Petroleum University, China. He specializes in geotechnical engineering with a research focus on freeze salt expansion, multiphysics coupling in cold regions, and the thermal and mechanical behavior of frozen soils. He has published over 100 academic papers, holds more than 40 patents, and has led multiple national research projects. Best wishes for your future by Science Father.